Like a previous exercise, this is also similar to the previous exercise. Just read the heading carefully, children. Read the words aloud if it makes J sound from the letter G. From the letter G, if you're hearing the J sound, we want to write it on the green box. Okay. If you get the G sound, if you get the G sound from the letter G, we want to write it on the yellow box. Okay, first I am going to write the box name. This is a green box and this is a yellow box. This is a green box and this is a yellow box. Okay, children. Okay, if you are getting a J sound from the letter G, then you have to write it on the green box. Okay, if from the letter G you are getting the same G sound, you want to write it on the yellow box. If J sound, green box, G sound, yellow box. Don't forget that. Okay, let's move to the exercise. Okay, let's tell me the words loudly. Gel, gel. You are hearing a J sound or a G sound? J, gel. Yes, you are hearing a J sound. Shall I write it on the green box? Okay, you are going to dictate. Just tell me the spelling for gel. G, E, L. Gel. Okay, very nice, children. Okay, next go for the next set of words. This is a page, page, page. Page. You are getting a J sound or a G sound. The sound of J is J and the sound of G is G. Don't forget that. And now tell me loudly. Page, page. You are getting a J sound or a G sound. Okay, good. You are hearing a J sound. Okay, if you are hearing a J sound from the letter C, from the letter G, where you want to write? You want to write it on the green box or yellow box? Yes, you want to write it on the green box. P-A-G-E, page. Okay, let's move to the next word. Grave, 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 grave. You're hearing a J sound from the letter G or a G sound from the letter G. Yes, very good, children. You are getting a G sound from the letter G. Okay, if you are hearing a G sound from the letter G, where you want to write? You want to write it in the green box or a yellow box? Yes, you want to write it in the yellow box. Shall I write? You are going to dictate me. Grave. G R A V E. Grave. Okay, let's go for the next set of words. This is a gram, 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 gram. Okay, you are hearing a G sound from the letter G or a J sound from the letter G. Okay, children, you are getting a... Tell me loudly. I'm not hearing. Tell me loudly. Yes, you are getting a G sound from the letter G. Yes, this is the sound of G is ga, ga. Okay, if you are getting the G sound from the letter G, where you want to write? You want to write it on the yellow box or a green box? Yes, you want to write it on the yellow box. I'm going to write. As usual, you are going to tell the spelling for the letter gram. Shall I write it here? Okay. G R A M, gram. Okay, next move to this side. Okay, just spell the word G-I-S-T, gist, not gist. Gist. Okay, let's pronounce it like gist, not just gist. Gist, 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 gist. What is the sound you are hearing from the letter G? You are hearing a J sound. It's not a gist. If you are telling gistamens, it will hear a J. If you are tell gistamens, you can hear the G sound. If you hear a G sound, where you want to write it on the green box or a yellow box? Yes, you want to write it on the yellow box. Shall I write? You are going to dictate me. Tell me the spelling for gist. G-I-S-N-T, gist. Okay, let's move to the next word. This is gate. Gate, 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 gate. Okay, now you are hearing a G sound from the letter G or a J sound from the letter G, children. If you are not able to find out it, just tell the words loud. Gate. Just open your mouth and tell the words loud. Gate. Okay, now tell me, you are hearing a G sound from the letter G or a J sound from the letter G. Very good, children. You are getting the G sound from the letter G. Okay, if you are getting a G sound, where you want to write? You want to write it in the green box or a yellow box? Yes, good. You are going to write it in the yellow box. I am going to write, you are going to dictate G, A, T, E, gate. Okay, let's move to the next words. This is gum, 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 gum. You are hearing a G sound from the letter G or a J sound from the letter G. Yes, many of them telling a very correct answer. Very good, children. You are getting a G sound from the letter G in the word gum. Okay, from the word gum in G, we are getting the G sound. Okay, if you are getting a G sound in the letter G, then we want to write it on the green box or yellow box. Yes, we want to write it in the yellow box. I am going to write, you are going to dictate it. G, U, M, gum. Okay, children. Okay, let's do the next set of word. This is gym, gym. Okay, this is a gym. Okay, you are hearing a J sound from the letter G or a G sound from the letter G. If you not find out it, if you can't find out it, okay, tell me loudly the word gym, gym, gym. You are hearing a J sound or a G sound from the letter G. Yes, you are hearing a J sound from the letter G. Okay, if you are hearing the J sound, where you want to write? You want to write it on the green box or yellow box? Yes, if you are hearing the J sound, we want to write it on the green box. As usual, I am going to write it. You are going to dictate me. Just tell the spelling for gym. G, Y, M, gym. Okay, children, let's tell one more time. G-E-L, gel. P-A-G-E, page. G-R-A-V-E, grave. G-R-A-M, gram. G-I-S-T, gist. G-A-T-E, gate. G-U-M, gum. G-Y-M, gym. Okay, children, I think you can understand it very well. Let's move to the next interesting exercise. Okay, children, let's go to the next beautiful exercise. Look at the picture carefully, children. She's bending, isn't it? She's bend. So the end word is N-D, bend, not bent or fend or bend. The bend, end. Okay, we want to circle the N-D, bend. Okay, not N-T or not F-T or not N-K. Bend, B-E-N-D, bent. Okay, B-E-N-D, bent. She is bended. Okay, she is bent. Okay, next, look at this picture. This is plant. Okay, let's tell the spelling for the plant, children. P-L-A-N-T, plant. not plant or not plant or not a plank. This is a plant. P L A N T, plant, plant, plant. Okay, let's go for the next picture, children. Listen, this is hand. This is not a 5, this is a hand. Hand, hand. Okay, hand, end. Okay, this is ending with nd, isn't it? Not nt or ft or nk. Hand, ha, yes, h, a, hand, hand. Okay, children. Okay, let's look at this picture, children. What is this? This is, see, look at very carefully. This is not, you can't identify. This is a pond. Yes, a pond. In pond the frogs are enjoying. See the picture carefully. You can find the frog, crocodile and butterflies, isn't it? And colorful flowers. There are a lot of species enjoying in the pond. Okay, this is a pond. Okay, the ending word end or nt or ft or nk. Pond, pond. Okay, nd, isn't it? P-O-N-D, pond. Okay, children. Okay, did you understand? Okay, so far we haven't seen about the ending word of nd and nt. For a bend, we said ben, bend. For a plant, we said plant, plant. For a hand, we said hand, hand. For pond, we said pond, pond. Okay, children, let's go to the next interesting as well as very beautiful exercise. Okay, children, let's go for the next exercise. Complete each word with the correct final blend. Okay, we have to look at the picture, and in the picture, from the picture, the first 2-letter word have been given. We have to find the last 2-letter. Okay, for that we have to first look at the picture and find out the word and then find out the spelling. Okay, we can easily find out the spelling because we know the sound of each and every alphabet. So don't worry, children. Okay, let's go to the exercise. Look at here, children. This is not a star, this is a vant. Okay, a vant. The angels will have in their hand, no, wand. Wand, wand, and wand, yes, N-D, wand. Okay, let's go to the next picture, children. This is belt. Okay, this is belt. You know, no? Yes, this is a belt. We will used to wear it on our pants. Okay, the first 2 words have been given. B-E, B. Lt, we have to finish with lt. Okay, just find out the words from here. And no, this is lt, correct. Let's see the others also. Amp, no. Pit, bimpt, no. Fit, no. Peft, no. Bent, it's not a bent, it's a bell. Lt. We are having the L sound, belt. Okay, let's look at this picture, children. This is, what is this? This is lamp, lamp, lamp. Okay, you are hearing a mp, la. The la has been given. The ending 2 words mp, mp. Okay, let's listen. Nd, no. It, no. Mp, yes, this is correct. Let's see the next 3 also. Pupt, no. Fifth, no. Ent, no. Lamp, lamp. Okay, just write it here. M, P, lamp. Okay, next go to the next picture. Just look at this picture carefully, children. Listen it carefully, children. This is gift. Gift. From the gift word, they have been given the first 2 letters, isn't it? G, I, G. We want to finish it with fifth. Okay, just find out the words from this option. This is a end. Gind, no. It, no. Imp, no. Pipped, no. Fifth, this is a gift. Yes, this is a correct. Let's see the one more. Gint, no, it's not a gint. It's a gift. Yes, you're hearing a F sound, isn't it? Shall I write it here? Yes, F, T, gift. Okay, let's go for the next picture. This is tent. Tent. Yes, this is a tent. From the tent, they have been given the two letter, isn't it? T-E, tent. We have to finish it with the ent. Okay, you're hearing a N sound as well as you're hearing a ent. You're hearing a T sound. Okay, let's look for an answer. This is a end, not a tent. This is a it, it's not an answer. Imp, it's not an answer. Pipped, it's not an answer. Fifth, it's also not an answer. Let's see the last one. N-T. Tent. Tent. Yes, you're hearing a N sound as well as you're hearing a T sound. Tent. Okay, children. Okay, let's go for a next picture. This is a, we already seen about this. What is this? Yes, this is a plant. Plant. Yes, this is a plant. Okay, in the plant they have given a three letter P-L-A, pla. They given ent. We have to write the ent. We already write the ent for tent, the same spelling. Okay, we don't need to find it because we already know. No, ent, gent. Okay, just see, he's a wepping, wept. He's a wept, isn't it? Okay, W-E has been given. We want to write P-T. Pet, wept. You're hearing a P sound, isn't it? Pet. Okay, let's look for an answer from this option. Ent, no. It, no. Imp, no. Pet, it's correct. But let's see the next two options also. Weft, no. Went, not went, it's not a correct answer. Wept, P-T. Wept. Okay, let's look for letters. W-A-N-D, want. B-E-L-T, belt. L-A-M-P, lump. G-I-F-T, gift. T-E-N-T, tent. P-L-A-N-T, plant. W-E-P-T, wept. Okay, let's go to the next exercise quickly.